Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete your social security number on Cash App. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Cash App, and once you're inside the Cash App, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, here on the top right corner of the screen you'll be seeing your profile icon. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you'll be seeing your account options. Now among them you'll be seeing an option that says support. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you'll be sent to the support center of the Cash App. Now among the given options like child tax credit, government stimulus and relief and so on, you'll be seeing an option that says something else. Simply tap on that, and once you're inside the something else topic, here you'll be given more options like can access old account, receiving payment, and among them you'll be seeing an option that says edit account settings. Tap on that, you'll be provided with bunch of options, but you won't be able to see there is an option to delete your social security number. But you have an option that says close my Cash App account. So the thing is, in order to delete your social security number, you have to close your Cash App account permanently to delete your social security number, because there is no available option in the app or in the support center to delete your social security number. So in order to permanently delete your social security number on Cash App, you need to close your Cash App account. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.